8725. This is like luxury vinyl, and there's a gap here. The question is, how do we fix that gap? Because when we installed this, there was no gap, and then we put the baseboard and we glued it and everything, and after a month, it came out.
Kind of, yeah.
And so now the question is, can I use one of those suction things that you move marble, grip on it, and push it that way without breaking up this this baseboard? And then after I move it, what am I gonna do to keep it in place? Or just go ahead and break this open, get some kind of L tool here, and hit the metal and yank it over here, and then shim this side with either more material or glue or something to keep it from sliding that way. Or the other question is it sliding this way, or is this guy sliding that way? Yeah, so we don't know, did this guy move or did this guy move? And so is the root problem, well, I mean, it would be easier to mess with this side now instead of messing with all that. Well, this one is just going to right there. Then you would have to open this one up and get to here. All right, we'll see what we can do. See if anybody gives advice.